Part 3. A similarity transformation is a transformation which results in the preimage and image having the same shape. 7. Model with mathematics. Complete the Venn diagram using each of the transformations on the right. We have congruent transformation and similarity transformations. And I want you to input the words translation, rotation, reflection, dilations. Two figures are similar if and only if one figure can be transformed from the other figure using one or more similarity transformations. 8. Kate wants to make sure the two figures below are similar. Use transformations to justify that the two figures are similar. Describe the transformation using words and function notation. For these two questions, I want to give you about 6 minutes. So go ahead and pause your videos for the next 6 minutes and answer questions 7 and 8. With question number 7, I labeled these 4 pieces A, B, C, D. Translation are congruent because they preserve size and shape. Rotations are congruent because they preserve size and shape. Reflections are congruent because they preserve size and shape. Now, remember that similarity transformations are things that contain the same shape. So D is same shape only. Dilations are same shape only. They do not preserve our size, which would make it a congruency. Now, on to number 8. Number 8. The first thing I did was I said, Kate wants to make sure that these are similar. Use transformations to go from the little rectangle to the big rectangle. So I said rectangle ABC is obviously dilated by a scale factor. And I always do a couple of options. We could count. I always count one of my straight edges. Right here, this is 4 units long. Similar figure. This is going to be 2, 4, 6 units long. So what do I multiply to go from 4 units to 6 units? Well, we multiply by 1.5. And this happens about the origin. And then I said, well, whenever I did that, I wrote my numbers over here off to the side in the My Notes section. And I actually graphed that corresponding rectangle. Well, notice that, remember when we do this, this is going to be A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. And whenever this one's written, it's I, J, K, L. So it's kind of backwards. So I said we did a reflection about this line right here, which was X equals 5. And whenever I do this, A maps to I, B maps to J, C maps to K, and D maps to L. The function notation of this is a dilation about the origin by a scale factor of 1.5, a reflection over the line X equals 5. On to the wrap up of the section.